Hello, this is Mark from MWB Arts, and today I'm just going to do a quick acrylic pour abstract, maybe using a straw and blow things around a little bit, or maybe a swipe method, whatever fancies me. Do some puddle pours, but first I'm going to put a gold background, and today I'm using the Arteza premium colors. I got Arteza Gold, Arteza Yellow, Arteza Ultramarine Blue, and an Arteza Lemon Yellow, I believe. And I'm using one DecoArt, which is the DecoArt Premium, and it is the Primary Magenta. And for the most part, it's 1:7 ratio, 1 part paint, 7 parts Liquitex Pouring Medium, and then several drops of the Easy Paint, which is a latex paint conditioner that I'm using also that you can get at any hardware store, I believe. So first I'm going to put some yellow down and then just brush it around, but keep it kind of thick enough so maybe things will float across the gold color. Okay, so get that gold on there. And this gold is very transparent, looks like. So it's mainly going to be used to have a medium for the other paints to flow on. There we go, just kind of spread it around to the edges. Anyway, so I'm doing this on a 5x7 canvas board today. Just a small one, just to play around and see what I can come up with using these paints. Okay, so now I want to do some puddles here. So I think I will mix some blue puddles in maybe 3 locations. Blue puddle from the bottom. So 1, 2, and 3. There we go. And then for the bottom one of the, pour the white, I believe. No, I want to pour the white into the blue, I think. Or maybe the white in its own little puddle. 1, 2, and 3. There we go. And now the yellow I will pour into the, I think I'm going to pour it into the blue. 1, 2, 3. And then magenta color into the white. 1, 2, 3. And maybe, well, I'll see what it does first with this straw here. Make sure that okay, get things moving around a little bit first with the air. Maybe, I will put some white now on top of the yellow ones here. And finally the blue on top of the magenta color. There we go. And now, let's see if I can find some plastic here to swipe through everything here. Maybe I can swipe it. A piece of plastic through this. And I want to swipe wet direction here. And then go back this way. There we go. Okay, so now back to the straw here. Okay, so I don't want to move that too much, I think. I will just make sure I got a good amount of coverage on this paint and get maybe something to catch some of this leftover paint. So maybe I can, if I get too much. Ooh, it's looking pretty cool. Yeah. So, let's see here. That looks pretty bright on this camera. I'm going to double check my settings here. Interesting combinations of color. Let me know if this is an experiment with these color combinations. Give it a like if you liked it. Give me some comments if you'd like to see something different. Anyway, it's just a quick 1, 2, 3. Little swipe and a little blow and a little tilting. And a different color combination for me. So let me know what you think about those colors in the comments. And I'll talk to you later. Remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and click that bell if you want to see more of my videos when I upload more. And this should be coming up soon. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.